बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dasrath Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Satyalok. Param Shanti. Now I will tell you about Satyalok of our solar system. The Satyalok in our solar system is called as Brahmapuri, but actually it's not correct. Brahmapuri is above Satyalok. In first Parartha of Brahma, before 50 years of Brahma, when creation was done by Brahma, then Brahma created Saptarishis, that means 7 forms from him. Those 7 forms created 7 planes or lokas. These 7 planes are below Brahmapuri. Brahmapuri is above Satyalok. When souls are doing more penance in Tapalok, they reach us to Satyalok. Here they acquire more knowledge. After reaching Satyalok, souls doesn't get trapped in illusion. If any soul have at least a little bit of illusion after coming to Satyalok, it will arises from its mind. And mind becomes at once pure here in this Satyalok. If mind is pure, then body also turns pure. Satyalok area is up to 8 crore yojanas. 1 yojana is equal to 12 kilometers. It's very big. If we took sun as the center point, our solar system is in 1 light year area. 1 light year means 9400 billion kilometer radius from center point to the above direction of this solar system. This Satyalok is in 8 crore yojanas. When high quality souls of this solar system reaches Satyalok by doing penance, there they realize the absolute true knowledge. The other souls who came here from other galaxies, universes, great universes, they realize the true knowledge here. Here in this Satyalok, the layers upon the soul will get lighter and soul will have soul conscious stage. Here, some souls will realize the true knowledge that they doesn't belongs to this solar system and they have more power in their souls and they have to get out of this solar system. Then they get the knowledge up to galaxy or Milky Way. Here, soul realizes the true knowledge because the layers upon the soul becomes lighter here. In gross world or in this deadly world, the soul will have 5 layers upon it. When it reaches Bugurlok, Swargalok, from Swargalok onwards, souls becomes Nastomoh, means detached. When on coming to Maharlok, souls do austerity and reaches to Janalok. Here in this Janalok, souls stay for some time here and after that they reaches Tapalok and it do austerity there. As a result of its austerity, it gets the true knowledge. That I came from galaxies, so I have to return. It remembers the incorporeal form of Shiv and then it remembers the incorporeal form of Mahashiv of galaxy. It understands the difference between Shiva and Mahashiv, Vishnu and Mahavishnu and Brahma and Mahabrahma. Means it realizes the absolute knowledge about solar system and about Milky Way in this Satyalok. These souls starts to do more penance and more meditate to reach the galaxy. These souls directly reaches our supreme abode of solar system in incorporeal form and do penance. Here, it remembers incorporeal form of Mahashiv and experiences the soul consciousness and it will have the knowledge of soul because here soul will have lighter 3 elemental layer, that is ether, air and fire. Souls will be lighter in this Satyalok and it will have absolute true divine knowledge, so it do penance to go out of this solar system. And slowly after reaching the supreme abode in incorporeal form of this solar system, here it doesn't have any karmic bondages of this solar system and it do more penance and reaches to Mahabrahmand or galaxy. From Satyalok it goes to Brahmapuri and stays there for some time with Brahma because here the soul knows that we have time up to Mahakalp Pralay. In Mahakalp Pralay, solar system will be winds up. Here, souls knows the time span. Param Shanti. बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome